Up for sale, 1965 Oldsmobile Starfire Convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 65 Oldsmobile Starfire Convertible. Triple blue, finished in Lucerne blue, blue top, blue interior. Very nicely optioned. And as always, go around and tell you what I know about it. We'll fire it up, and then we'll drive it. So we'll start here on the front bumper, which is actually in very, very nice condition that you see there. Of course, a little bit of marking behind where the license plate goes, but the rest of it, super nice. Same thing kind of goes for the trim on the grill, whatnot. You see a couple stone chips on the front there. A couple little guys right there. Little one right there, or bigger one right there, I mean. Another little one. Fitment of the hood, though. The way the hood lines up to the fender, super nice. And the same thing goes for this one. The fitment all the way down. That's nicely, nice. It's getting cold out, I'm sorry. Nice and impressive. The rest of the hood is nice. I do see a couple little marks right there that you see. I don't want to block them out. So let me go ahead. We'll pop the hood here, if I can. Once again. And then this. There we go. Put my glove back on. 425, 370 horsepower, factory AC, power steering, power brakes. It's had about just under 5,000 in recent work done. I mean, you see new intake on it, new water pump, but I got a list of it in the back. The receipt, new carburetor, which I took a picture of. That will be on the ad. You see here. You see trim tags in place there. Glass bottle, stuff like that. Very, mostly original that you see. Fun fact. You see some of those hoses down there that are brand new. Fun fact, they made 15,000, just over 15,000, 65 Starfires. 2,236 were Starfire convertibles, making it, a pretty rare car. 65 was last year. It was top of the line. The 66, the Toronado was. Keep going. See a little mark right there. It's got Michelin white wall tires all the way around, and the underneath, which you will see in some of the pictures I have, it must have been factory undercoated, because it's so solid, not even surface rust front to back. All original body panels, all stuff like that. You see that I can only put so many pictures on the ad, so I'll try and get as many to fit as I can. You see a little bit like. And it's blocking it. You see a little like this right there. Your stainless all the way down the body of the car. Very nice. For whatever reason, there's some, maybe where the car was kept for a long time, some marks and stuff right on that edge there. And a couple, you see them on the door jamb or door edge. But again, very nice there. Body is, let's check how straight it is. Very, very straight actually, which is nice. In addition to those options that the car has, it's an automatic as well. Bucket seats and console, which you see there. Tilt, power windows, power top. Very nice door jamb there. Nice metal all the way down that you see there. I see that the weather stripping there is like not all the way up, but I have weather stripping that goes along with the car. Nice door panel. Probably original. I like the stainless there. That's a cool design. You see your VIN tag in place there with the wires for the power window. There's your bucket seats. Factory seat belts. GM blue, matches the rest of the car. Nice blue carpet as well. So let's hop in here. Zoom out just a bit. Factory console, tack, They also, when he did all the recent work, all the gauges work. All the lights work, including the backup lights. The heater works. Top works. AM FM works, or the Wonder Bar. I don't know if it's FM, but the Wonder Bar works. I just checked that out. I was curious. The wipers work. Anyway, love the dash. It's also got this tilt column, which you see there. Let's undo it so you see it go. Boom. Zoom back in. See a little bit of checking on that lower paint, but the dash, the black, is very nice. Probably all original to the car. And the dash pad is all very nice that you see there. Just one crack right there, but the rest of it's nice as well. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Also, map light. Tack works down there too. That's, you know, pretty impressive. So let's keep going. Very nice seat backs. I like this pocket there. Again, luxury idea for the car. You see your back seat with the built-in, oh gosh, of course now it escapes my thoughts. Convertible top boot. There you go. Same thing with door panels. Very nice. So let's flip this back up so you can see it. Let me zoom out. I left it there so you could see it. And like nice color like that. And then that folds. Get in the car. That folds back down there. And here's our nice back bench seat. The seats actually don't show too much wear. I like that they're cloth and a vinyl combination. And they're very nice condition. There's no rips on them anywhere. So let's keep going. All that, and I don't grab the key. I need the key. Thank you. The blue top material all the way around is in very, very nice condition that you see here. The only thing wrong, the glass, which is, it's a glass window. It's separated from the back of the top. And you know, if you lift up, you can probably clamp these two around it. I had some ideas. I don't know if my ideas would work and be beneficial, so I'm just gonna let everybody know about it. And I hate mittens. Oh my gosh. Let everybody know about it. You fix it the way you want to fix it. But the top, the material all the way around, super nice. See a couple little miscellaneous marks right there. Looks like a few little marks right there in the paint. This side must have been, because the other side's very, very nice. There's none of that. This side must have been in on the garage. Maybe walk by it all the time. It's got side exhaust, which is factory, which is super cool. And then right here, just a little blister that broke. And then a couple bubbles right there. See a couple little other marks on there. Trunk fitment, nice. Get into that side, nice. Little mark right there. There's some water that got on here somehow. Try and get that. Soak it into my glove. Back bumper, pretty much same condition as the front. That looks very, very nice. You see a couple marks right there though on it. But going this way, a little mark, but that's very nice as well. Let me go ahead and open the trunk. First off, trunk pan, impressive, all original, of course. Quarters are original, of course. You can see that without the sun blinding you. There you go. In here, you got a body service manual, a chassis service manual. Here's a folder. I have an appraisal for the car from 2012 for like 18.2. Here's the recent work on the car from Studio Hot Rods, if you're familiar with them. Well known, whatnot. Brakes, bushings, exhaust, the valve covers, you know, thermostat, wheel cylinders, bracket. Okay. Take my glove off. Come on, paper. Carburetor, well, disassembled brakes, wiring, front brakes, all that, transmission fluid, labor, power. They did a power steering box, which was an expensive cost. 47, it's out of focus, come on. 4790.2, again, if you weren't reading it, because I didn't notice it was blurry. There's another thing that he did there, and some other random stuff for the car. So that goes along with it. I'm putting my glove back on. Very nice finish in here. You see like factory markings up there. Okay, and the under trunk lid, excuse me. Awesome. Out of focus again. Let me redo this. Okay, we should be good now. Let's keep going. We drove it about 40 minutes home, side roads, 50 minutes home. A couple chips right there. Again, your side exhaust. No bubbles here, which is nice to see. I love the factory hubcaps on it with the white wall, such a classic look. A little bit of checking right there and a little crack on that seam. With all the recent work, it's pretty much turnkey and it should pass any inspection. Like DMV inspection, I mean. And I've never said that in the video before. All the lights work, the gauges, whatnot. It came off. You see a couple little marks on the door edge. Same thing there. Very nice metal on the outside. Oh, I left the light on. Oh, the door light's on. Okay. It'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 65 Oldsmobile Starfire Convertible, triple blue, finished in lucerne blue. 425, 370 horsepower, automatic. Power steering, power brakes, power windows, power top, AC. Couple little marks around the Starfire logo right there. See if there is a little mark right there. So we are getting to the point where we're going to fire it up and then drive it. Thank you. All right. Forgot to do this before the driving video, showing you the top going down. All right. Look at that, all the quarter with the rear passenger windows went down from power. There's Jimmy. Jimmy, say hi.